What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to share with you top 5 Android software that will help you to create professional YouTube videos. It's gonna be incredible. I'm very excited. So let's roll that intro and then we'll get started. We know that to create a video, we have to go through several processes like recording your footage, editing the video, customize your video to get more audience and etc. Number 1 is recording your footage. If you have a DSLR or digital camera, you can get some good shot, but if you have none of them, by your smartphone you can also take amazing footage by a little software. Camera FB5 is an amazing software that can adjust all the image sensor parameters that you only thought pro video cameras had, like compensation, ISO, light metering mode, focus mode and white balance. The most incredible thing is you can change the sensor during recording. You will also get professional viewfinder in this software. Live RGB and luminance histogram are also available in this tiny little software. You'll get the light version of this software for free in Google Play Store. For more pro features, you have to buy the paid version of this software. Must try this software, it will not disappoint you. Now many of us also love to do stop motion videos. It's really fun to create this kind of stuff. We can create birthday wish video, funny videos, family videos, etc. I'm going to introduce you with a software that will meet all your needs and give you the best stop motion video creating experience ever. The name of the software is Stopmotion Studio. This software is a complete package for creating stop motion videos. You can create movies in ultra high definition with 4x resolution of Full HD. This software has 7 amazing effects that will give your movie an extra creative professional touch. You'll also get green screen in this app. Best software for creating professional videos and family videos. You'll get iOS version as well as Android version of this software for free in App Store and Play Store. Now the second part is editing the video. I'll recommend 2 software that they are the most complete package for professional video editing. First one is Nextstream KineMaster. In KineMaster you can trim your clips and layers precisely at frame by frame. Audio clip trimming can be adjusted with sub-frame accuracy. You'll also get some other awesome features like instant preview, multi-track audio, multiple layers, color adjustment, speed control, professional audio features, chroma key, and many more incredible tools. But one thing I didn't mention about this software is the effect panel. Their effect panel is not so rich for pro editing. In this case, another amazing software will help you, and that is Cyberlink Power Director. You'll get the software for both Android and iOS. I love this software especially for the transition and effect panel. Seriously, this software is going to make your video way more professional than ever. One of the amazing features of this software is you can create slow motion footage very smoothly. These 2 software, one is great in video editing and other is in video effects panel. Use both software to get the best result for your video. Note that you have to watch some tutorial on the software, then it will be easy for you to use. If you face any problem, contact with me, I'll send you the solution. Now the last part, optimizing your video. After uploading your video to YouTube, you need to optimize your video. It is still very important to optimize your video SEO to rank your videos. You have to do this manually, but one software can help you to lessen your work and save your time. And this software name is thatyou. Generally you cannot see other video tags, but by using this software you can see other tags and use them in your videos. It will help you to choose the right tags for your video, and this will help you to rank your videos. By the way, this software has some other incredible tools like Keyword Idea. These tools helps you to get the best keyword for your videos. You can also create backlink directly from this software. For your kind information, backlinks are the links to your website from another place on the internet. They're extremely useful to search engines because they have a good indication that a website is popular. Here your video link will act like a website, so you can understand how important it is to create a backlink. You can create unlimited backlinks by this software, but it is good to create 100 backlinks a day. You'll get more amazing tools in this software. Just check it out. Okay guys, that's for today. Actually, I used those softwares when I created videos by my Android phone. These softwares are great, must try them at least for once. And thanks for watching this video. Normally I create graphics designing videos, but I thought that this video will be helpful for you guys. If you want more of these tips and tricks videos, just smash this subscribe button. I'll upload more video like this. If you have any comment or any problem, just comment in the comment box below. I'll try to answer them. See you in the next video. Peace.